ahead, Danny, and tell the camera what we're making.
We are making banitsa, Bulgarian banitsa, and Nicole is the super master of this.
Ooh, okay. We put 7 eggs in the bowl, and then we put 7 spoonfuls of Bulgarian yogurt, and then we put 5 tablespoons of oil, and then you mix.
Hi, Nicole. And now you should this. You should. Oh. Now you should do like this. Kate can't see.
Yes, no, I totally can see.
Yeah, like this. Small pieces.
And this is Bulgarian cheese.
White cheese.
Bulgarian white cheese. Yep. So the cheese is in there. Now what do we do, Danny?
Now we need to put also to it lemonade.
Ooh, this
Okay, the previous time.
this lemonade we used.
So you can now put it in normal way. Okay, okay.
And now do I pour it in?
Yeah. Oh, just do you. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
So that's like lemonade soda. It's Bulgarian, right?
And now ready. So
We also have pastry sheets.
okay. So I need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 6.
So you oil the pan a little bit. We have our mixture ready. Then I think we're going to put the pastry sheet onto the pan to make the bottom layer.
Okay. And now no.
Opa!
Some put from the mix like this. Yeah. It was expected.
Run us through a tutorial, Caitlin.
Alright, so you put the puff pastry in the pan, and you fold it over so it's all in the pan, and then take your mixture, your spoon, and put the things in all the places. Is this right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, Nicole, you ready for round 2?
Yeah. I forgot to say, banitsa, yeah? It's traditionally prepared when? At what time of year?
No, autumn, the whole year we can prepare, but definitely always we have banitsa for New Year.
And what
Yes.
are these?
This is, I don't know, what is this?
These are scriptures and words and blessings that we wrote, and so whoever finds them in the banitsa gets that blessing for the year. Because today we are celebrating New Year, even though it's
Christmas.
November 2nd.
November. let's spread them. Okay, the banitsa is now finished. All of the layers are in, and then you put the rest of the mixture on the top. Put butter on the top, and then bake it.
What?
We have salad, wine. What else do we have?
Banitsa.
And what else?
Lemonade. We have tickets to Plovdiv. It's beautiful.
We're going to one of the oldest cities in Europe this weekend, just for the day. We're so
Yeah.
excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice place.
Banitsa. Not finished yet, but soon.
Because it's too hot now.
Okay, it's ready. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I want to get it on video.
This is so exciting.
I see my little prayer foil.
Did you find yours?
I did not find it. No.
Okay, what did I get? Look at me vlogging right now. This is so funny. What did I get? What did I get? Zephaniah 3:17.
Wow, I can read it.
Oh, yeah.
For the word your God is living among you. He is a mighty Savior. He will take delight in you with gladness. With His love, He will calm all your fears. He will rejoice over you with joyful songs. The first one for the coming year. Wow. Oh. I don't boldness. What does it mean?
I forgot to say, you eat banitsa with sugar. And it seems like it wouldn't be that good, but it actually is. It's amazing with sugar. You just go like this and dip it and eat. Ah, it's so yummy.
So yummy.
Okay, banitsa's done, and now we're going home on the tram. You're so cute, me. But it was so yummy. Thank you, Danny, for teaching us how to make Bulgarian food.
They have
Yes, so I hope you enjoyed yet another video. And I hope you make Bulgarian banitsa.
Do it.
Yeah.
Definitely
Okay.
do it.
Bye!